Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by unlocking the iPad and going straight into settings. No extra prep needed. Once in settings, tap battery to open the battery panel so you can see current level and options. Make sure to enable battery percentage if you want a precise readout in the status area or control center. This gives a numeric value instead of estimating. This helps you plan charging and understand short-term power needs, so enable it now and move on. With battery open, look at the last 24 hours and last 10 days graphs to see consumption trends. This shows when drains occur. Tap individual apps to review screen on and background activity so you know what's using power and why. If apps run excessively in background, consider disabling background app refresh or toggle low power mode to reduce demand. These steps let you act on the data, adjust settings, close heavy apps, and confirm the battery life matches your expectations. Finally, add the batteries widget to your home screen or Today view so you can glance at percentage and connected device levels quickly. To add it, long press the home screen, tap plus, choose batteries, and place the widget. If the percentage or stats look incorrect, restart the iPad and make sure iPad OS is up to date. Updates fix measurement bugs. If issues persist, try resetting settings or contact Apple support. Reducing brightness and disabling unused features also extends battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.